Hey guys, today I'm just going to be doing a purplish kind of look. As you can probably tell, I did my base and everything. So I'm just going to put that setting powder right there. So any fallout that happens, I can just wipe it away. I'm going to be using this Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection palette, and this is the Bling Boss palette. I need to stop. I'm going to be using this color right here, Hush Hush, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Now I'm going to take this shade right here, Rockstar, and I'm going to put that in my crease as well. Just going to wipe that brush off and just kind of blend the outer edges a little bit more. Now I'm going to take this shade right here, Mystic, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner and a little bit in the crease. Alright, now I'm not really sure how this is going to work out, but I'm going to try to maybe put this shade, Bling Bling, maybe more in like on the lid in the inner corner, and then maybe Gem, kind of blend it into that shade. I'm going to try to see if that works. We'll see how it works. And then I'm going to put this Bare Minerals pigment in Wildflower, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner and a little bit under my tear duct. Oh, hi, still filming. Okay. Sorry, I'm going to put that a little bit, try to make that look good. I don't know. Whatever. Take a little bit of Gem. See how that fucking goes on there. Let me go in with this Bare Minerals pigment. Look at that. I don't want to drop any, but wow, that is freaking gorgeous. I'm going to wipe this away. I'm going to go ahead and go do the other eye. I'm going to throw some shadow on the bottom liner, underneath the lower lash line, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went and did this eye. I put the color Gem underneath my lower lash line, smoked it out. I also put on some Stila liquid black liner, as you can see. I don't really like doing that on camera. I mean, if you guys want me to, like, I totally will next time. I also put a little bit of this NARS Lip Glide in Night Together on, and I just kind of dabbed it with my finger, but I don't think it's going to make a difference. Because I'm going to be putting some Kat Von D lipstick in Slayer over top of that. I just wanted it to kind of, you know, I don't know what I was trying to do, but I'm going to put that on. I'm also going to put the Bare Minerals pigment that I put on my inner corner. I'm going to put that over top of the black lipstick. Also, I did put on some lashes, and these are Eden Rose lashes in D22. I don't know what they're called. I just know that they're D22. Honey, no E. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna hear a lot of E's in the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. Maybe I should just leave it like this. I'm gonna put this pigment on top. It does look a little blue, but fuck it. I'm also gonna put this Kylie Cosmetics highlight, and this is in Snow Angel. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.